Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an irregular verbs quiz. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. The church bell dash early this morning. Rang. The church bells rang early this morning. Question 2. The meeting dash 5 minutes ago. The meeting began 5 minutes ago. Question 3. The wind has dashed all the leaves away. Blown. The wind has blown all the leaves away. Question 4. The dog dashed the mailman yesterday. Bit. The dog bit the mailman yesterday. Question 5. She has never dashed a horse before. Ridden. She has never ridden a horse before. Question 6. He has dashed a great football player. Become. He has become a great football player. Question 7. The sun dashed at 6 a.m. this morning. Rose. The sun rose at 6 a.m. this morning. Question 8. The baby dashed my finger tightly. Held. The baby held my finger tightly. Question 9. He has never dashed a lie in his life. Sworn. He has never sworn a lie in his life. Question 10. I dashed the lesson perfectly. Understood. I understood the lesson perfectly. Question 11. She dashed up very early today. Woke. She woke up very early today. Question 12. The teacher has dashed us how to solve it. Shown. The teacher has shown us how to solve it. Question 13. He has dashed his new jeans again. Torn. He has torn his new jeans again. Question 14. Our team dashed the champions last year. Beat. Our team beat the champions last year. Question 15. She has dashed her password twice today. Forgotten. She has forgotten her password twice today. Question 16. The boy dashed a stone into the river. Threw. The boy threw a stone into the river. Question 17. My brother dashed to Riyadh last weekend. Drove. My brother drove to Riyadh last weekend. Question 18. The workers have dashed a deep hole. Dug. The workers have dug a deep hole. Question 19. They dashed for the airport an hour ago. Left. They left for the airport an hour ago. Question 20. I have dashed your gift somewhere safe. Hidden. I have hidden your gift somewhere safe. Question 21. He dashed outside the shop all morning. Stood. He stood outside the shop all morning. Question 22. She has dashed me her notes for revision. Lent. She has lent me her notes for revision. Question 23. The boy dashed his hand with the teacher. Shook. The boy shook his hand with the teacher. Question 24. We have dashed that song many times. Sung. We have sung that song many times. Question 25. The artist dashed a portrait of his friend. drew. The artist drew a portrait of his friend. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.